Did you hear about the claustrophobic astronaut? He just needed a little space. You're welcome.
Well, we're gonna need some sort of a level. It'll probably be just above this. Yep, that's good.
Yeah.
I'll just guess. Somewhere there, up at the bottom.
So today we're gonna hang this rod in our closet. You wouldn't believe how much you can miss something which seems so minuscule. But I'd been wanting a closet for a while, and we did build this a couple months back, and I have been storing my shoes and other stuff in it, which is awesome. But we haven't had a rod in it, so I'm really excited to get this up and get our winter coats and everything hanging in here. Super thrilled.
A little dark in here. And I might need a light. I can't really see that. Can you?
Yeah.
Is it level?
Oh, no. Okay. Let me. No, I can't see on this. Let's get this rod in here. Good. Here we go. Yes, love it. I can't wait to start hanging our coats. So while I'm in here, I wanted to show you the electrician came back yesterday for us, and he got it all ready. So we're just waiting for New Brunswick Power to come and run the poles. But this is our electrical panel, and he came and he got it all, these two opened up for us because he put two outlets. So we have these two spots for the two outlets that he ran. So down here is our first plug, and we're so excited because we're not going to get the house all wired right away. We're just thrilled that we have a plug inside so we can run all our extension cords to it, and we can run everything in the house through this little outlet down here. Super duper happy. And we had him do the exact same thing on the outside so we could run a cord over to the garage and have lights and power in the garage. I can't wait for those poles to come. So anytime in the next 2 weeks, we were told from the power company, they'll be here and they'll run the poles and it's all ready to go. All we have to do is flick a switch once they're here and they connect it all, and we'll actually have power in our house. It's such a cool feeling. So exciting. So a lot of people have been asking us when the power poles are coming, probably for a couple months now, because we mentioned it back in, I don't know, August or September that we were going to get it. And the reason it's taking so long is because we had to pay for the poles up front. So that's a lot of money that we had to pay up front. So we've just been saving up over the last few months, and we were finally able to do it last week, which is super awesome. We're really grateful we were able to pay for that. But then there was just like permits and inspections, and the electrician and stuff had to be done, and now that's all done. So it's just up to MB Power to show up. So we're really, really stoked. So this is our outdoor plug. And like I said, we're super thrilled about that. So we'll run an extension cord from that over to the garage for now. We're going to have the garage fully wired and, you know, functioning properly at some point. But just for now, we're thrilled to be able to have an extension cord to go over there to give us heat and lights. Over here, you can see we've built a little shelter for our generator. We're back on the big generator. This thing we've had since we moved here, like 3 years, and it has never crapped out on us. All the little ones, we've gone through, I don't know, 4 or 5 little ones in the last year and a half. They are not as good as this big kahuna. It's loud and it's super expensive on gas compared to the littler ones, but anytime we need it, it never fails us. So we just put this little shelter here over it just to keep it out of the weather. We understand that the little ones aren't made to be used on a regular basis like we use them, but this big one here, it's been used and abused and it never fails on us, so we certainly love it. Yeah, we unfortunately are back to that until the power poles come. Love it! Putting up our Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas.
Okay. Gray loves it. Gray. Okay. We've made a Christmas ball every year for the babies that we've lost. So that's 2018, there was 2. 2019 there was 2, and this year there has been 3. So they have all got balls. Got our mistletoe hanging up there. Looking Christmassy. The Halloween cat is today the Christmas cat. She came and laid right by the balls. What you doing? What you doing? Go, pretty girl. There she is.
You can roll this around where it's missing.
I liked it on the TV.
Right?
I really liked it on the TV.
Did you?
Oh well. Do what you gotta do. No, I like it so far. Love it. Do you like it, Sam? It's beautiful. We got our Christmas tree up. We love it. We waited a little bit later this year because we were hoping to have the power poles run before we got it set up, but they're just taking a little longer than we expected. So we put it up anyway. The cats love it. They lay underneath here on their little blanket, and yeah, everybody loves it. So even Elf on the Shelf arrived under there the first night and was eating a candy cane. So that was cool for Sam. So today we are going to head and pick up our pork. The pigs have been butchered and they're ready for pickup today, so we're really excited to try and see what they taste like. So we got about 100 pounds of meat between the 2 of them. We did our research and it said the best time to butcher them was between 4 months and 12 months, and one was 4 months and one was 5 months. And we were happy to get them butchered at this time before Christmas. So we're, excited to go pick up that meat. 100 pounds of pork, and we got about 125 pounds of beef from the farm down, when we ordered that like a month ago. So we're gonna have lots of meat. We still have a little bit of bear left. And we just finally ran out of eggs from the chickens. So we'll go pick up some fresh eggs to have with our bacon. So we're here picking up the pigs. How exciting. Can't wait to go home and eat some of that meat. Right, Sam? Yeah. Hey! Should be really yummy. Jeremy's just getting it right now and we'll load it into the trunk. So we got all our meat here. Just brought it in. So exciting to look. Got little pork chops. What else is in here? Some roast. If you can see in there, ooh, steaks, spare ribs, steaks, roast. These are all the little chops. And then over here, we've got the ground burger. There should be a bunch of bacon and stuff everywhere too. Oh, ground pork over here. There should be a bunch of bacon and stuff. I'll just have to unload this into the freezer and be able to actually see it all. So cool. I love it. So we got about 100 pounds of meat here, which is awesome. It's perfect for us, and it'll just go nicely with our bear and our beef that we got recently as well. So it's going to be a good winter. We'll be eating super great. I can't wait to see the bacon. I love bacon. Here's some of the bacon. I'm really excited for this. This is like my favorite thing probably out of all of it. I wonder if this is actually bacon. Might be hot dog, but it could actually be bacon. His name was Bacon, and now I'm eating his bacon. It's kind of weird. But I look forward to it. Let's go put some of this in the freezer. I'll just finish putting the rest of the meat in here, and we'll see you in the next one.